Hello class, we have smoothed our wood on 2 faces and 1 edge, and we have also drawn our drawing. We will need this drawing for the rest of our steps, so it is important that we have this done. For this step, I will need a square, a saw, I will need a tape measure, a pencil, and I will also need bench dogs and a vise. So, according to my plan, I need to cut my pieces at 15 inches. So I'm going to measure 15 inches. 15 inches. I will now need to square it across. Square my line across. And I put my bench dogs in the holes here. So bench dogs are made to have grippy ends. So the grippy end goes towards the wood. These are very simple to use. You simply put them in place. When you don't need them, they go all the way through. And underneath, I can prop them up. So I need 4 bench dogs, 1 for grip here, and then 2 on the vise. So now I can put my piece of wood in, and I need to put it in so that it's clamped onto 4. If it's shorter and can only get to 2, then I will have to clamp it with a clamp. But I don't need to with this piece, so I use my vise to clamp. And then I will saw it. This is easier to saw because it's much thinner than when we use the thicker pieces. So I will need to cut it now. And you'll see the bench dog will hold the wood in place very well. So I will cut it. So, once I have my pieces cut, I have them cut at 15 inches. According to my plan, I need to have my shelf start 4 inches above. So I am going to go to the top. I'm going to make sure these are the same. And I will go 4 inches from the top. And 4 inches from the bottom. And if I want to make this square, they need to be identical. So I can actually line them up together, use my square. And you can see I have lines that line up identically. And then from those lines, I will draw around my whole board. So, redo this one. So you'll see I will have a line around, all the way around. So my shelf is actually going to line up here, and it's going to line up there.